Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making an enchilada sauce. This is a hot skillet with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I've added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of New Mexico chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of California chili powder. There is a difference. So basically, you just want to keep stirring it all together so that it continues to cook together. And in this recipe, you want to just keep stirring it. I'm going to add some seasonings. I have cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and salt. You can screenshot that if you want and just put that in. It adds a lot of flavor and just keep stirring it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, just regular tomato sauce, and just keep on stirring it together. I have my heat just slightly under the medium. Okay, so just keep stirring it all together. And now I'm adding a 14-ounce can of chicken broth. And you have to add it in slowly and continue to stir. Stir it all together. Just keep stirring and adding it very slowly. And it starts to mix together. It starts to combine. And it comes out so good. This is a really good enchilada sauce. Very, very easy too. So now I'm going to grab the rest of that can and add the entire 14 ounces of my chicken broth. Okay, so now at this point, you just stir it up. And then you let it come up to a boil. And this is my beautiful enchilada sauce. And you can definitely use it as an enchilada sauce. That is what it was originally intended for. But I made some chicken. I boiled it with 1 teaspoon of salt in the water. And I poured it over my chicken. And then I made some Spanish rice. And that is going to be our dinner. So I have a beautiful enchilada sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell in the corner to see all my recipes, and I will see you next time.